welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandi.b for those of you who are new, and for those of you who are old, thank you so much for tuning back in. In today's video, I'll be doing a review for Beauty Forever here. They contacted me not too long ago and asked if I could do a review. I have never used Beauty Forever hair before, so this should be exciting. Let's just get straight into the video. I am going to try to do like a whole ball cap type of situation. Okay, so I have my cap on. Like I said, I've never tried this before, so I'm excited for real. This is the wig. I never even really showed you, but this is the wig. This one came in a box in a pair of lashes also. This is a 12-inch bob lace front wig. It's 13 by 4, I believe. And yeah, it's human hair. I'm super excited. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box, so if you want to purchase you this wig, you'll be able to, or a wig from Beauty Forever, then you'll be able to off of the website. So I'm gonna shut up and let's get straight into the video. I'm so nervous. So first things first, I'm going to use my Got2b spray, and I'm going to spray down the first, like just the hairline of my hair. I know I kind of went a little too crazy with it, but this stuff is really hard to control, y'all. So I did it the best way I could. Please don't judge me. Then next, I'll just be cutting holes, so that way my ears can, you know, have somewhere to be. They'll be out of the cap. Cutting holes. Make sure you be careful too, because it's really easy to snip something off. I'm also using the end part of the rat tail comb to make sure my cap is laid down on my head is, you know, as flat as possible. I'm cutting off that extra lace because we don't need that, and I'm also pulling it back off of my forehead so much because I don't want my wig to sit so far down on my forehead that I look wiggy, you know. I want it to look like mine. So you see why, that's why I'm cutting like so much of it off. So I'm just taking more Got2b glue to lay the front part of my cap down. I do this because when you cut your lace off, I don't know why I keep calling it the lace, but when you cut your cap, the front part of your cap off, it tends to roll up. So to get it to lay as flat as possible, it's good to just roll it back down. If you can get it to roll back down and get it to lay good, then you'll be, you know, all set. And you can see, like, even though the lighting kind of makes it look bad, and this cap is really not my color like that, kind of, you can't really see the white cast from it anymore. So I don't know, I can't really see it anymore, but yeah. Then next, I'm just gonna take some some makeup, so I could be out here looking like a cone head. This is what I really think I look like. Oh my goodness.
Damn.
So after that crazy stuff, I'm just showing you that the wig has combs and straps. I'm also putting more makeup, well, foundation on the actual wig itself, the lace of the wig, so it can look even more natural and more like, you know, my actual hairline. As you can see, I'm just fitting it on my head, and I am cutting 4 lines, like 4 tabs into the lace. So basically I'll have more control on how I'm placing my lace, and as well like as the neatness of it. I feel like if you just go ahead and plop your wig down onto your head, then you're going to end up with like lumps in the lace, and you do not want that because it's going to look crazy. And I know this from experience. So if you can, you like cut you some like some tabs, or just cut the lines down in the lace, so that way it'll just give you more control on placing the wig on your head. I also think it's very important before you put the glue down on your forehead too, to get as much as product like oil or makeup or dirt off of your forehead, so your lace can lay down and it'll last a little longer too. So just make sure you have a clean slate before you apply your wig, so you'll have a clean foundation, and it'll actually stick to your head really good. Okay, it's time to cut this off. So, want to take my little razor, because I heard this was the best. It gave you like a jagged edge type of shindig going on. Oh, okay, let's just keep going all the way down there. One reason I do use that razor too is because it does give you more of a jagged edge, and if you use scissors, it'll give you more of a straight edge, and you'll be able to see your lace. Like you see, if you guys remember how the cap looked before I rolled it back down, like took the glue and rolled it back down, that's how it's gonna look if you take scissors and cut straight across your head. Do not cut straight across. Make sure when you are cutting your lace that you are doing zigzag motions, so your hairline can look as natural as possible. So next, I'll just like get that white cast off. Next, I'll just be doing my baby hairs, and I'm not gonna really talk on this part. I just want you guys to see. I only cut about an inch off. About as much as least you should cut off for baby hairs. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up so you guys can see what I'm doing. Some more got to be to lay my baby hairs down because yeah. Um Usually foam usually doesn't work for me. So I'm just, going with what I know works best. What I do want to say is I'll be adding some foam in my hair, and you do not have to, use foam. You can use water. That'll also lay it down as well. But I like to use the foam because it does, help to lay the hair down really, really good. I usually sit up under the dryer for like 15, 20, well, just about 15 minutes, if that 10 minutes up under the dryer, so it can fully dry. This blah blah blah. Beauty Forever hair is really good, soft feeling hair. This is a the Brazilian unit. I can't talk for nothing, y'all. And this hair feels really good. It doesn't hold a curl quite too long. That's about the only thing. But other than that, the I think that the wig is constructed beautifully and so neat. The hairline look like mine. Um, the hair is very soft. This unit is not a lot, you guys. I think like when I did see it, it was like 80 some dollars, I think. And this is a 12-inch. So I think that is really good quality hair. Like I said, the only thing it doesn't do is hold a curl for very long. But all in all, I love this wig. I love the color of it. And it just, I think it fits me really good. And if you guys like it, please let me know down below. Let me know how I did on my lace front. That's funny to me. Let me know how I did on my lace front. I think I did pretty good. I got a lot of feedback on Instagram and all that stuff. So make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. I'll have all of that linked down below and on the screen. I'll have the exact link. Oh my God, I can't talk. I have the exact link down below in the description for this wig and the Beauty Forever website if you guys just want to browse and find you something different. Um, yeah, I'm gonna shut up and let you guys just enjoy me curling. I love you guys so much, and let me know in the comments down below what what's the next video you want me to do, or what's some ideas. I love you all, and goodbye. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much, Beauty Forever Hair, for sending me this beautiful wig. It already came colored like this. They gave me the option between the curly wig and this wig. I didn't choose the curly wig because I already had a curly wig. And I said, hey, let me go with something different. So I'm happy that I went with something different because I actually really love this a lot. So thank you so much, Beauty Forever Hair. And I will see you guys in my next video.